How to check Snapchat online status. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once in there, simply tap on the location icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now with Snap Map, you can see the live location of your Snapchat friends and the location only updates when the user opens Snapchat. Then simply tap on the Bitmoji of your Snap friends avatar on the map view and you can see if they are online on Snapchat. If they are online, you can see the here just now tag available. But if they are offline, then you may see the last active time like here 13 minutes ago. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.